In this video, our jewelers will share insider secrets to buy a gorgeous, high-quality, natural ruby. Rubies are typically mined in Asia and Africa, but most of them pass through Thailand because Thailand is the trading and polishing hub for natural rubies. In this video, we want to share the top tips from our certified gemologists. Color. Color is the most important factor when choosing a ruby. The red color of the natural ruby is its most distinguishing feature. But rubies often have secondary colors. They could have pink, purple, or orange hues. The more purple or orange the ruby is, the less valuable it becomes. The most desirable of all colored rubies is a pigeon-blood red, which has a very vivid red color. Clarity. All natural gemstones host small inclusions. Please do not hesitate to buy a ruby if the inclusions in your ruby are in hidden areas, are small in size, or are not on the surface of the ruby. These inclusions will not affect the beauty of your ruby. Enhancements. Heat treatment is a common industry practice. A heat-treated natural ruby is absolutely fine since such a treatment enhances the color and clarity of the ruby without diminishing the value of it. If you are specifically looking for an unheated ruby, make sure to inform us or your jeweler. However, beware of glass-filled rubies. Nowadays, low-grade rubies are made to appear as a higher-grade ruby by filling the cracks with glass, etc. These rubies could break over time and are significantly less valuable. Therefore, our advice is to always buy your natural ruby from a trusted color gemstone specialist. Carat and shape. Rubies are often found in less than 1 or 2 carats. Round rubies larger than this are incredibly rare, rarer than diamonds, and hence very expensive. It takes a long time to handpick them. Pro tip: an emerald cut or cushion ruby larger than 2 carats will make a statement like no other jewelry can. Origin of the ruby. The most famous ruby mines are in Burma, Thailand, Mozambique, and Kenya. Rubies from Burma have always been valued as the finest rubies and have been mined for thousands of years. Burmese rubies are now extremely rare and can go up to $1 million per carat. Mozambique rubies are fairly new, but they have rapidly become extremely desirable. These rubies are gorgeous and comparable to even the Burmese ones. On diamondair.com, we only sell natural AAA rubies. If you think this video helped you, do visit our website, diamondair.com, to find our stunning collection of ruby jewelry, and you can hit the subscribe button below for other such videos. See you soon!